Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Program for Hack. And in this video I want to show you a cool module of Python which will allow you to reduce your size and reduce your exe file size. It is very cool. Okay, so first of all, let's roll the intro. Okay, now let me show you the module name. Okay, here is the module. Okay, which one is the latest? Okay, this is the latest version and this is the previous. Okay, so this is the latest version and this is the GitHub repository of the http import module. This is so much amazing tool, you cannot imagine. You can import your module from online GitHub repository or from online servers, so it will reduce your executable size and also reduce your code. This is so cool. Okay, so if you see here, load a simple package of a module through https. Okay, so this is the package names and this is the path of where the packages are stored. This is the online server. Okay, this is the only example. There is nothing like this domain. Okay, so let's load directly from the GitHub and other platforms like GitHub. So we use this because this so much people use GitHub. No one create a server for hosting her code, so we will use GitHub because it is free and it's amazing and easy to use, and so much people use, so much developer use it. So let's start. First of all, let me remove this all code and see this. Okay, first of all we need to install this. So okay, open up your terminal, and if you are using pip3 then use pip3, or if you have only python 3 then you can also use pip, and you can also use like this pip3 -m, or not pip3, python 3, sorry, python 3 -m pip install and http, whatever method you want to use. I will use pip3 install http import. So here you can see I have already installed, so let's move here and import http import. Let's just import the function we need is I think from import GitHub repo. Okay, we need GitHub repo. Okay, so what we can do is use a with block. If you see here, use a with block and specify your GitHub repository. So how it works, this is the name of the user. So if I go to my repository, I don't have any kind of module on my GitHub, so what I will do, I will use this. Okay, so just copy this. I will just copy this, or just I type this. Okay, so GitHub repo. Okay, first is the name, and here is the name of the creator of this module, and after it here is a module. Actually this module is created by the owner of this module. Okay, so if you go here and see for this module, this is a very cool module for making malware and other things. If you go here, you can see a framework for backdoor development. Okay, this is very cool. Okay, here is encryption and other things like this. If you go here, messages, streams, handler, shell, and session, encryption schemes, compression, and further example. there is so much things in this module you can use to build your backdoor. So you can also use this online, you can import this module online using GitHub and use it in your code. It will reduce your code size because this module is so much large in size. I think here is not defined as size. So if you see the size of this module, then this module has large size. So I will just remove this and remove this also. So what it will do, what is the name? Okay, cover details, and you can also specify the branch. So if you go here, you can see you can also specify the branch. So we will specify branch and put nothing, just this, and we will import this module and see if it is working. So what I will do, I will just print and I will use this module and its doc. Okay, now if I run this, it will return me the thing. Let me show you what thing it will return me. Where is the GitHub repository? So it is a module. So if you go here and doc string, then you can see here is the doc string of this module, and the other things you can fetch it. So if you go here, you can see you have got this, and you can also got other things like name and version. So let's put here the name and see if it is working. Now you can see it is returning everything correctly. So in this way you can use GitHub to import your modules directly from online. Okay, so let's see other things. Okay, and one more thing, if you are importing modules that depends on the other module, then first of all you need to port the other module. As you see here, A depends on B and B depends on C. So first of all you need to import C, then B, then A. If you read this documentation, you will get this. And you can also import a specific file by giving the direct raw path of it, raw GitHub path. Like if I go here and click here raw, then you can see this is the raw path of this file. So you can also import files using GitHub like this. You only want to specify this all path, and you don't want to need this GitHub repo, you want to need the other options. I think here remote repo, no, I think here is the name. Okay, this is the, you only want to specify the load and the module name and other things. I think where is the direct path? Let me see if there is any module imported directly. I think they have not defined that. So you can import directly using GitHub. Let's see, we will perform practical here. So just remove this all code again, and what I will do, I will go to my this, and I have a searcher. I have a module named as searcher, and what this module do, this module do nothing. It is only for testing the http import module. Okay, so here is my doc string and the other things, and what this means is actually I have one file which name as for search. So sometimes it gives you error if you not put it here. Let me see if it will give error. I have not tested, so I will put nothing here, and this is my separate file and this is my init file. I have not imported this module in my init file. And what is in this module, here you will see it also has doc string, and I put it, this is just remove this, and here I have a class name as searcher, and this when you, this is the constructor of class, and in which you can see self.user is 4, and if you use this method it will print the user. So I will upload this and see what I will get. Actually I have already here git. Then first of all let's remove the git. Okay, now make git. Okay, now git add -a git commit -n, and you can put anything you want there. If you want a tutorial on GitHub, on Git, sorry not GitHub, also on GitHub and Git, you can watch on YouTube because there is so much tutorials on them. And I need to plug my charger. Okay, now I will upload this to my GitHub and test our http import module. So let's name it as searcher and public repository. Just create this. Okay, now I will use the SSH, copy this and git remote at origin, this git push -u origin and master. Okay, wait for it. Okay, let's see if it has uploaded. Okay, now it is uploaded. Now I have a repository in which I have a module name as searcher. Here is I have init file which contains this, and also a searcher file which contains a class. So now what I will do, I will import this using my http import. So get to repo, and here is my name, my get to name, okay, my get to username, and here is my module or not module repository name, and also branch if I spelled correct, and the branch is master. And then we will import searcher, and then print the searcher doc string. Now let's see if it is working correctly. Now you can see it is returning the doc string. So now what we will do, we will try to import this for search, then see what happens for search. Okay, now if I run this, it will import successfully. I think my video is going on. Okay, no problem. Okay, so it is importing successfully, but the problem is that when you try to use this for search dot searcher class and s dot print user, this is the function in that module. If I show you, so here I have a searcher class what I have created here, and after it here I have a print user method which I have used here. Now if I run this, it will give me error. This is a problem. I will tell you the solution also. Okay, so here you can see it is saying that for search is not defined, but we have imported this here, it is giving error. So this is a bug or maybe some code tricking in this http import module. So how you can fix this? The fix of this is very easy. You only want to type here as for search. Okay, you are using here for search, then you want to import this as for search. If you have used as before in your Python coding, then you know what as do, and now it will run fine, and it will not import this. You can import before, import searcher, because we are using there, so we have to import it also. So now I will run this. It will import all modules like we have imported and give us the output. If I go here, you can see I have put the self.user4 and we are printing this. It is working very fine. So in this way you can import so much things using this GitHub and this http import. You can import modules, so much modules, and reduce your code and reduce your size of executable. So I hope you like my video. If you have any question, you can ask me. If I know the answer of the question, then I will tell you, because sometimes I also don't know what to do. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, you can comment. And someone asked me if I have some discussion groups, and this is my discussion group. Actually my owner account of this group is deleted, so not a problem. You can join this group. The link is in description, and ask any question you want. You can also comment me, so I will give you the answer. And also share this video with your friends. Allah Hafiz.